And I convinced Boston to stop the procedure. She's on her way right now to sign the cancellation papers. You think this is a good thing? Doc, he knows his secret. I can't let him turn nothing into vegetables just for that. You can't trust him. And you never give him the chance. You give him too many. You think it's easy keeping a lid on your secret? I gotta think about it every time I'm around other people to make sure I don't slip. I gotta remember to say meteorite. I always gotta cover your unexpected exits. Pete, I'm sorry. You never said that. The point is that I got your back. But Lex won't. Oh. What's wrong?
My foster's dead. They found her car after I returned off Highway 54.
Really invisible. You two had better back up.
No, I know you were just trying to help Lex, but I think you've made matters worse.
So there's gotta be another way to stop the procedure.
Stop this needs to happen to her. Lionel will make sure the procedure happens.
Hey, Phil.